Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question and our given question is 4x plus 3y equal to 25 and I am representing this equation as equation number 1 and our given second equation is 2x plus 5y equal to 16 and I am representing this equation as equation number 2 and our required equation is y into x minus y over x square over all power y by 2. In order to find the required equation, first we should solve the simultaneously equation number 1 and equation number 2 and we should get the value of x and y. For this purpose, we should multiply equation number 2 by 2. As a result, we will get as 4x plus 10y equal to 32 when we multiply equation number 2 by 2. In the next step, we should subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2 which is given by multiply by 2, or we should subtract this equation from this equation. As a result, this 4x and this 4x will cancel out together, and when we subtract 10 from, we should subtract this 3 from 10. As a result, we will get 7y, and this 25 will subtract from this 32, we will get 7. Now after cancelling both of these values, we should get the value of y which is equal to 1. Now in the next step, we should put the value of y equal to 1 inside the equation number 1 in order to get the value of x. As a result, we will get 4x plus 3 into 1 equal to 25 because this y will replace from 1. In the next step, we should simplify these equation for x. As a result, we should get x is equal to 25 minus 3 over 4. And when we simplify this numerator, we should get 22 by 4. And after simplifying both of these values together by dividing 2, we should get the value of x is equal to 11 by 2. Now here we have y equal to 1. Here we have x is equal to 11 by 2. Now we should use this equation in order to find the value of required equation, and we should replace this x and equal to 11 by 2 and this y equal to 1 inside the equation. When we replace x and y from this value, we should get 11 into 1 into 11 by 2 minus 1 over 11 by 2 overall square over all power half. Now in the next step, we should open the square for both of these values. As a result, we should get 121 the square of 11 and 4 the square of 2. Now in the next step, we should simplify this numerator. As a result, we should get 9 by 2 and denominator will remain same 121 by 4 and overall power half will remain same. Now in the next step, these 2 and this 4 will cancel out together. And now after cancel out both of these values, we should get as 9 in numerator. This 2 we get from after dividing 2 by 4 divided by 2, we should get the value of 2 and it will multiply with this 9 and will move from here to numerator, and 121 in the denominator will remain same. Overall power half will remain same. In the next step, this half power will apply all three values and we will get 3 under root 2 over 11 because we can say that this half power will be equal to root, and when we apply root on 9, we should get, or 3 comes out from the root. This 2 will remain same under root 2, but this 121 will come out 11 from the root for this half power when we apply on this 121, and this is the answer for the x for this value. I hope this video will be very informative for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.